In this video, I'm giving you the easiest law of attraction manifestation technique. And this technique, this concept is the basis of almost all manifestation technique. If you understand this process, if you understand this concept, then manifestations start happening very fast. Are you excited for it? Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Amazing, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And today I have a very interesting technique for you. And those of you who are new to our tribe, new to our awesome tribe, welcome to our awesome tribe and do subscribe to my channel. And you can check my website awesomewithy.com. Now, so many of you are using many of our techniques and I have been sharing a lot of powerful techniques and many people are manifesting. But then so many of you have also requested like, AJ, what is the easiest way? What is the basis of all manifestation? How can I manifest things? And especially for people who manifestation is not happening, you need to understand this concept. You need to understand this particular technique. And those of you who are manifesting your goals, desires, understanding this technique will speed up your manifestation and things started working very fast. So here is the time for the easiest law of attraction technique. And what is the core of this technique? Now first, law of attraction. The core of law of attraction is like attracts like. Yes, like attracts like. And what this like thing, first like thing dependent upon how you think, how you feel, how you act. And that's how you manifest the like thing into your life. So what you are going to do in this easiest technique? So this easiest technique has just one thing you have to remember. One thing. Be happy now. Yes, be happy now. That is the key. That is the basis of your manifestation. Be happy now means be happy in the present. Be happy as much as possible. Focus on being happy all the time, as much as possible. You may not stay happy all the time, but when you focus on being happy as much as possible, you have that control. And being happy as much as possible, being happy in the now is the easiest technique. Because when you start being happy, manifestations start happening very, very, very fast. And this is the basis of all the other technique. Now this technique is something which is not contradictory or conflicting with any other technique. Always remember that. This is the technique which is core. Means you can use this technique with almost everything. And if you follow this process, follow this technique for next 30 days, you will see tremendous change happening in your life. You will see manifestation happening very fast. Now why? Why you have to be happy as much as possible to manifest your desire? Now many of you must be thinking, right, AJ, isn't it possible just focusing on my desire and manifest it? Yes, focusing on your desire and manifest it is possible. But when you focus on your desire and be happy, then only you will manifest it. If you focus on your desire and you are not happy, if you focus on your desire and you are not happy, if you are not focusing on your desire and also not happy, then you are not going to manifest anything. And remember, why are you manifesting anything? Whether you are manifesting money, relationship, your dream job, health, car, home, whatever you are manifesting, why are you manifesting it? The simple reason you are manifesting anything because you believe that manifesting it will make you happy. Isn't it? Why are you manifesting anything? Ask yourself. It's because you believe that that thing will make you happy. But here is the trick of the universe. Here is how it works. When most people think that when I manifest, then only I will be happy. And definitely when you will manifest, then you will be happy. But in the process of manifestation, in the process of going in this journey, many people, they stay sad, they stay stressful, they are full of anxiety, they are full of fear, they are full of doubts. And those people who are with these negative emotions, they cannot manifest their desire. And this is where law of attraction helps us to understand this process. Law of attraction says like attracts like. So whatever you are manifesting, whatever you are doing in manifesting that process, and whenever you are not doing anything for the process but doing something else, living your life, when you be happy, you attract more happiness into your life. Like attracts like. When you be happy, you attract more happiness into your life. It means when you start being happy while focusing on your dreams, and also be happy when you are not focusing on your dreams, doing something, normal things, living your life. When you be happy, you start attracting more happiness. And how can more happiness will come to you? By manifesting your goals and desires and dreams. So when you start being happy, the universe started helping you, started guiding you, started bringing the right people, resources, things into your life, which eventually help you manifest the desire. And that's where more happiness will come into your life. So this is the missing piece in most people's life. Most people think that I can be sad, I can be stressful, I can be full of anxiety, I can be negative, and I work on my dream, I focus on that person, I focus on my soulmate, I focus on the dream job, I focus on the money, and I can stay like this negative and keep focusing and I can manifest. No, it's not possible. You manifest everything. You work for your dreams, you go for your dreams, you focus on your dreams, you do processes, rituals, many things. But do everything with happiness. There are some techniques I have shared earlier in my channel, and especially two techniques. There is a technique called 2-cup method and 5-5-5 technique. And while many people have manifested their desires using these two techniques, some people could not able to manifest, and they wonder why those techniques were not working. And the reason behind it, when they were doing those techniques, they had lot of fears, doubts or negativities, and they were still doubting that whether it is going to work or not, or am I really going to achieve my dreams or not. So when they focus on the doubt, what they attracted, like attracts like, they attracted more doubtful situations, more doubtful things, more negativity into their life. Those people who manifested their desires using those techniques or any of the techniques, when they do it with joy, they do it with happiness, they do it with energy, they do it with so much of fun, they enjoy it, they focus on the outcome. And that's where they manifested it. Now, all of you must be knowing that almost all the successful people, they have said one thing: follow your bliss. What does that mean? What does it mean, follow your bliss? Means when you are following your dreams, when you following your heart, you should be going in the bliss, happiness, joy, excitement. Now, the many more successful people, they have said, like, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. And how they explain, like when you are working on your dreams, no matter how big it is, whether it's building a business, whether it's inventing something, writing a book, manifesting a relationship, healing a health issue, whatever you are doing, but when you are doing, working on the dream, creating this new idea, manifesting that new relationship, creating that new joyful experience, but when you are happy and excited about it, then you gain so much of energy, the universe started helping you, you enjoy the process, and that's where manifestation happened. But people who are achieving and people who are not achieving, the big difference is most of the time both kind of people are working on their dreams, working on the manifestation, but people who are achieving, they are happy, they are excited, they are joyful, they are enjoying the moment, they are even enjoying the journey, every single step they are going forward with happiness. And people who are not achieving, they are sad, they are stressful, they are negative, they are doubting, they are thinking that, oh, I am doing everything and why it's not working for me. That is why, my friend, the easiest technique to manifest your desire is happiness. Be happy now. Your focus should be every single day, no matter what you are doing, no matter what you are working on, no matter what you are manifesting, no matter what kind of techniques you are following. Ask yourself one question: am I happy at this moment? Am I enjoying this process? Am I happy thinking about my dream? If no, remind yourself to be happy in the now. Be happy when you are working on your dreams. Be happy even if when you are not working on your dreams. Be happy whenever you are going forward. Be happy even if you stuck at a point. And then you see, practice it for 30 days, 1 month, and then you see how things will change. You will generate so much of energy in you that things started moving forward so fast that you will get surprised. And especially people who are not able to be happy, there are few reasons you are not able to be happy. And I'm sure many people give me this reason that, AJ, how can I be happy all the time? How can I be happy all the time? I am not asking you to be happy 100% time. I am asking you to be happy as much as possible. For someone who is not happy at all, for him or her, even having 10% happiness is a big change, big progress. Someone who is happy 50% of the time, they should be first striving on to be happy 60% of the time or 70% of the time. Someone who is happy 80% of the time, they should be focusing on happy 90% of the time. So you should be looking for opportunities to be happy. Why most people are not happy, you know? Because people have been programmed to feel sad, stressful, anxious. There are so many sad stories we see on the news. There are so many sad stories we see on the social media. There are so many negative stories going around. There are so many stories we have been told that, oh, people were only doing negative things and people were struggling and then they achieve. So many people, they put hard work, they put work into place, but they do it joyfully and that's when they achieve. Nobody talks about it. When they talk about their stories, they talk about only struggle, only the sad part, only the negative part. And then don't tell. They are not sharing that this person, at a certain point, they were working on their dreams, but they were doing it with joy. They were doing it with all their happiness. That is why they could able to achieve it. So you have to break that program and you have to choose today that, yes, I'm going to manifest my desire, I'm going to manifest my dream job, I'm going to manifest my business success, I'm going to manifest lots of money, I'm going to manifest my dream house, dream car, I'm going to manifest my soulmate, I'm going to heal my relationship, I'm going to heal my body, I'm going to heal everything, I'm going to create a truly magical life. But the basis of all manifestation is happiness for me. I'm going to enjoy every single day. I'm going to find joy, happiness, excitement in every single moment. And my core mantra from today is be happy in the now. Whatever I'm going to do, whatever I'm doing, I'm happy in the now. And if you understood this concept and if you find this wisdom, if you find this technique, if you find this insight eye-opening, then right now let me know in the comment section as yes, AJ. And right this moment, write in the comment section and let yourself know, let me know and let the universe know that you have chosen to be happy in the now, because your happiness is the key to your success. Write in the comment that I am choosing to be happy in the now because my happiness is the key to my success and manifestation. Right now in the comment section. Right now, go to the comment section, write it now. Now, how can you be happy more and more? There are 4 things you can do. Focus more and more on your manifestation and how you will feel when you manifest it. Second is always remind that I have to be happy in the now. I have to love my life. I have to love my journey. I have to enjoy this journey. Third is whenever you get stressful, and it's common, you may get stressful. You may not change everything all of a sudden. But when you get stressful, when you get fearful, breathe, relax, and remind yourself to be happy. Do some of the guided meditation we have on our channel that will help you. And the last point is the secret to being happy is being grateful. Be grateful for whatever you have in your life, whatever happening in your life and whatever you desire, and you will be happy. So once you start following these things, your manifestation will skyrocket. And my friend, those of you who are constantly being sad and unhappy, I want you to remember one thing. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to be happy because you have been programmed so much to be sad and you believe that being sad, stressful, anxious and negative is the norm of life. No! Happiness, joy and excitement is the core of the life. It is the key to all your success and manifestation, and you deserve to be happy and you are destined to be happy. So my friend, go forward. Let me know if this video has inspired you. Let me know in the comment section and let yourself know that you chose to be happy. And if you are excited to learn more tools, techniques and processes like this, you can join my program, Make Your Life Awesome. Or if you want to master the magic of gratitude, you can join my program, 28 Magical Practice. You can check the link in the description section. And those of you who are new here, welcome to Awesome Tribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ. Stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.